Hello everyone. Today we're gonna have a quick and easy hot yoga flow. So we're in a sauna room here. It's really hot, probably 100 something Fahrenheit. So it's gonna help us to really get a sweat in. We're gonna be doing some gentle movements just so that we're getting used to a hot yoga practice. So we're gonna start in a seated position just so that we're more centered and more relaxed. And from here, just come into an easy cross-legged seated position, and we're gonna take a couple of breaths to just calm your body down and let your body get acclimated to temperature in the room. Then from here, we're just gonna rotate your shoulders backwards first, and then forwards. And rotate your head clockwise, and then counterclockwise. Great. From here, we're gonna get into tabletop position. So stack your shoulders on top of your wrists, and then your knees on top of underneath your hips, and just do cat and cows here, and then tuck your toes under and come into downward facing dog. Head out your feet. From here, step the left foot forward, come into a low lunge, and then we're gonna do a side body stretch. So it's gonna be a reversed low lunge position. So keep your right hand on the mat and lift your left hand up, come into a reversed low lunge. From here, you can take your arm into a bind if that's in your practice. Otherwise, just stay here. And bring your head down, take a deep breath in, bring your left foot up, and then step it outside of your right hand to come into lizard pose. So feel free to lower your right leg, or you can keep your right knee elevated for lizard pose. So you can shift your weight forwards and backwards, really hinging from your shoulders to settle into this lizard pose. Okay, from here, take a deep breath in, kick your left foot up, three-legged dog, and downward facing dog. And let's do it on the other side. We're going to take the in between your hands and lower your left knee to come into a low lunge on the other side. And you're going to lift your right hand up to come into a revolved low lunge on the other side. Okay, feel free to come into a bind if that's in your practice, or just stay here. From here, lift your right knee up and then step it outside of your right foot to come into a lizard pose. Lowering your left knee is optional. You just stay here. You can hinge backwards and forwards to build some strength in your shoulders. And from here, take a deep breath in, kick your right foot up, three-legged dog, and then downward facing dog. Okay, from here to chaturanga, come into a plank. Halfway push-up, outward facing dog, and downward facing dog. From here, just step all the way to the top of the mat. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, bend your knees, come into your chair pose. And then take a deep breath in, slowly rise up into our tree pose. And then when you breathe out, mountain pose. Great. From here, we're gonna get back onto the mat. So take a deep breath in, hands above your head. Take a deep breath in, hands touching each other. Bring your gaze slightly behind you. And then when you breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, forward fold. And then breathe in, come into a plank pose again. This time, knees, chest, chin. And then come into a sphinx pose. And then feel free to look left, look right. You can bring your forearms a little bit more forward to come into a full form sphinx pose. And then from here, bring your hands underneath your shoulders, tuck your feet under, come into downward facing dog again. Pedal out your feet. Lift your right leg up this time, come into high lunge. Rotate, open your left foot 45 degrees into your warrior one. And then open up into a warrior two. Knee in for extended side into a peaceful warrior. And then hands on the mat, come back into a downward facing dog. And then we're going to do that on the other side. Lift your left leg up, step it forward into high lunge. Turn out your right foot 45 degrees into warrior one. And then open up into a warrior two. And then lean to the left side for an extended side angle. And then lean to the right side, peaceful warrior. And hands on your mat, come down into downward facing dog. And then step up. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, hands on the mat. Hop back into a plank pose. Last chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. And then step your feet up again. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose. Slowly rise up. Tree pose. And then mountain pose. And that is our quick and easy hot yoga flow. I hope that you enjoyed it. You were able to break a sweat and get your day going in a more energetic